What's going on, guys? Starting the vlog off a little late today. It's all good though. We're gonna have a lot of action. I'm just about to head up to my local mountain. I got some friends that are gonna meet me up there. Vandy from last vlog, he's a beauty, so he'll be up there with his girlfriend Kelly. I'm pretty sure a couple other buddies that are gonna want to shred the park tonight. I don't know if the park's fully open, but I hope it is. So let's just jump right there. Boom. Boom. Time travel, people. All right, just got to the hill. Gonna go meet up with the boys. My buddy Tim's up here that I met a few weeks ago. Really cool dude. We're gonna ride with him tonight. Vandy, who was in the last vlog, him and his fiance are up here, so that'll be fun to meet up with them. So I'm gonna head into the lodge, get my gear on. We're gonna hit it right to it. Let's go.
A few minutes later.
Alrighty, guys, strapped up, ready to go. They went up without me because they got here a little earlier, so they did a couple runs without me. So I'm just waiting at the bottom for them, and we're gonna get it. Let's do it. This is the sketchiest thing that we've ever been a part of.
I don't know about that.
Literally 20 minutes to get on the line because it has non-stop, and this guy's just cranking on the impact gun. We don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. We're gonna say fuck it and go along with the show. What the fuck? Literally last one's off the chair and it's dead stopped again. Suckers! That sucks, bro. Is it dark? Holy fuck, it is dark. You wanna just do this run? Into the darkness we go! Oh my god, this is dark. This is sketchy. Cheers. There's everyone. Cheers. He's just psyching. Timmy boy's psyching.
We got everybody out tonight. It's a good.
Psyching. We got the whole crew. This guy's a stud on that thing too. Woo!
Got some more snow there.
Yeah, boys. Woo! For the dream. For the dream. That's some funny ass shit, boys. Cambodian breast milk. Dial on.
Spit Mad Fire. That's a real guy too, though, right? Like, I never watched the show, but
breast milk.
it's a guy called Dylan, I guess. He's like, he spit mad fire, but he sucked.
Chairlift chat. Chairlift chat with the boys. Woo! Chair.
Back to the repair shop, couple screws and a nut, ready to go.
Found it? Found the
Fucking
right
ready.
one?
Exact match, buddy.
Finds the exact match, exact screw he needs, and we're back in action. Ba-boom!
Sending off.
Later, buddy.
Take care,
See you later,
buddy.
brother.
Good, eh?
Peace, buddy.
Next time.
Yes, sir. Oh, this is legendary. We got the boys pumping today. We got a little snow falling. But I think that's it for me. We had such a good night. It's like 9:30, closes in about half an hour. I had such a good time. We were slashing. The main park opened halfway through when we were here. So we got to have a little test of it. But we're going to be slaying that once we get it on lock. The boys are slashing. We had a good time. But make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because there's going to be lots more coming, guys. Cheers.